offset on the left.
So it's a little more than just that out that other side. It just looks like someone's got a hose on the roof. Nice and warm.